Hey guys, I started a fire in the snow. Pretty impressive. I only had to use one piece of notebook paper and a bunch of kindling. Look, I got these robins hanging out with me. They're so fat. but they're cold and they just want to be warm like me. So hopefully they'll get even closer. That would be cool. Yeah. It only snowed like 3 or 4 inches. But I think we're gonna get more snow tonight. I don't know. Look at that. Yeah. Well, I gotta get back to this fire. Hang out with my new bird friends. So I'll make another video update pretty soon. Alright. Peace.